friends, how are you? By blessings of the God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. A B JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Hokinmoni University, Vasavihar, Balasore, Odisha. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes. Friends, today we are going to discuss the 30 multiple choice questions from the corporate restructuring and from the strategic financial management. So this video I have prepared on the demand of my student friends exclusively. So this discussion will be very useful not only to the student category but also this will be very useful those who are prepared for the UGC NET, JRF and lectureship exams as well as and other related exams. Friends, without delay we will start our discussion. So I will have the request to all of you from beginning to till the end, kindly you watch the full video, don't skip it, and I know that you will give your valuable time, but I am ensuring you all that. So I am going to give the academic value. So that's why this discussion will be very useful and fruitful to all of you. So this is the part one of from the corporate restructuring and the strategic financial management. So in each and every MCQ you will find the 4 options. From the 4 options, so one will be the right choice or the right option for the respective MCQ. So first one MCQ, which merger or dash merger involves the corporate or firm engaged in unrelated activities of a business? A, it's a demerger. B, it's the conglomerate. C, it's the horizontal. D, it's the vertical. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. C, I mean it's the merger. Suppose A company, B company. So A company is let's take an example is a cement company, and the B company is let's take an example is that is the FMCG company, means a company is producing what is the biscuit. So this will be the merger. So it's a company is that is the cement company, B company is the FMCG company. I mean this company is producing what, the biscuit. If there will be the merger between cement company and the FMCG company, so this will be what, the conglomerate merger. So conglomerate merger, B is the right option for this MCQ. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The merger or conglomerate merger involves the corporate or firm engaged in unrelated activities of the business. So second one MCQ, it's B, not C. Then the shareholder invest into share in a company mainly for which purposes? A, it's to receive dividend. B, it's to receive bonus and right shares. C, it's for the capital appreciation. D, it's to receive the interest on investment regularly. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C, a shareholder invest into shares in a company mainly for the capital appreciation. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, which one works together or a single project for a fixed period of time? A, it's first one is amalgamation. B, it's the joint venture. C, it's the privatization. D, it's the strategic alliance. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So strategic alliance works together or a single project for a fixed period of time. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, when the assets of 2 or more companies come under the control of one company, it is an arrangement of what? A, it's a joint venture. B, it's privatization. C, it's the merger. D, it's the contraction. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So it is an arrangement of a merger. When the assets of 2 or more companies come under the control of one company, it is an arrangement of a merger. It's an arrangement of a merger. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, which merger is a merger between companies operating in a similar line of business or the same industry? Whether it's the vertical merger, B, it's a horizontal merger, C, it's the reverse merger, D, it's the conglomerate merger. Friends, so it's B is the right option for this MCQ, vertical merger. So vertical merger is a merger between companies operating in a similar line of business or the same industry. Suppose A is a cement company, B is also a cement company. If there will be the merger between the A and B, so it's the horizontal merger. So next one MCQ, the full form of SIP in a mutual fund is what? A, it's a security investment plan. B, it's a small investment plan. C, it's the systematic investment plan. D, it's the saving investment plan. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So SIP, it's a systematic. I stands for investment, P stands for plan. So SIP is or the full form or the SIP stands for what? The systematic investment plan. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, which takes or which types of merger takes place where a healthy company merges with a financial weak company. A, it's the reverse merger. B, it's the takeover. C, it's the merger. D, it's none of the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So reverse merger takes place when a healthy company merges with a financial weak company. So reverse merger. Suppose A is a weak company and B is a healthy company. If the B company will be merged with the A company, so it's known as that is the reverse merger. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, which types of takeover is a takeover or dash takeover is a takeover in which the target company's board of directors and management team favors the transaction. A, it's the neutral. B, it's the hostile. C, it's the friendly. D, it's the friendly. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. I mean the friendly takeover is a takeover in which the target company's board of directors and the management team favors the transactions. Means so there is the mutual consent. So it's this will be or such types of takeover will be what? The friendly takeover. So here the C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the sole reason or the main reason for dash takeover is to have the monopoly. A, it's the cross border. B, it's the hostile. C, it's the friendly. D, it's the compulsory. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The sole reason for cross border takeover, A, takeover is to have the monopoly. So cross border takeover is to have the monopoly. So it's the sole or the main reason. So next one MCQ, under which strategy or dash strategy the target company tries to purchase the shares of the rider company. Yeah, it's the crown jewel. B, it's the Pac-Man defense. C, it's the golden parachute. D, it's the green mile. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Under the Pac-Man defense strategy, the target companies try to purchase the shares of the rider company. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, financing method for merger and acquisition includes what? A, it's the cash. B, it's the convertible debenture. C, it's the non-convertible debentures. D, it's the overdraft. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. D, the financing method for merger and acquisition exclude what? The overdraft. So the financing methods will include what? The cash, or it may be the convertible debentures, it may be the non-convertible debentures or other securities. So next one MCQ, the defense strategy being used is anti-takeover amendments to companies or articles of association are called as what or known as what? A, it's the shark repellents. B, it's the Pac-Man defenses. C, it's the poison pill. D, it's the crown jewel. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A, the defense strategy being used to each anti-takeover amendments to companies or articles of association are called as what? That is the shark repellents. So next one MCQ, the capital structure means what? A. It's the borrowed funds. B. It's the long-term preferred stock and common equity stock. C. It's the total assets minus total liability. D. It's the shareholders fund. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So the capital structure means it's what the long-term debt and preferred stock and common equity stock. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, MCQ, the popular defense, a popular defense strategy against the hostile takeover bids is the creation of securities is known as what or called as what? A. It's the shark repellents. B. It's the Pac-Man defenses. C. It's the poison pills. And D. It's the crown jewels. Sorry, friends. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So popular defense strategy against the hostile takeover bid is the creation of securities known as what? The poison pills. So next one MCQ. Economic value added. EVA stands for what? Economic value added is based on what? A. It's the profit of the business. B. It's the gross wealth of the business. C. It's the net wealth of the business. D. It's the residual wealth of the business. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. Economic value added is based on residual wealth of the business. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, when one company acquires the control over the another company by way of purchase or exchange of a share is known as or called as what? A. First one is that is the disinvestment. B. It's a merger. D is, C is the demerger and D is the takeover. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. D. When a company acquires a control over other company by way of purchasing or exchange of a share is known as what? Takeover. Is known as takeover. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. Dash is a combination of two or more companies into an existing company. Whether A. Consolidation, B. It's the absorption, C. It's the contraction, D. It's the joint venture. Friends, so B is the right option. B. So absorption is a combination of two or more companies into an existing company. B. So next one MCQ. Dash method of capital budgeting is defined as the length of time required to recover the initial cash outlay. A. Payback period. B. It's the internal rate of return. C. It's the accounting rate of return. D. It's the discounted cash flow. Friends, so A is the right option. I mean, payback period method of capital budgeting is defined as the length of time required to recover the initial cash outlay. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. When a merger of business firm is engaged in different stages of production in an industry is known as what? A. It's that is the horizontal merger. B. It's the vertical merger. C. It's the conglomerate merger. D. It's the all the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video. What is the meaning of merger and what is the meaning of acquisition and what are the different types of merger. So there I have already discussed what are the different types of merger by citing the suitable example. So there is, you will find what is horizontal merger, what is vertical merger, what is the conglomerate merger and other types of merger. Kindly you watch there and what is the basic difference between the merger and acquisition. Definitely you will get more point and this will be very very useful to all of you. So next one MCQ. Let's see what is the full form of MBA, or MBA stands for what? A. Money value added. B. It's the minimum value added. C. It's the market value added. D. It's the market value maximum value added. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. M stands for market. B stands for value A stands for added. So full form of MVA is what? The market value added. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, dash or which one is the acquisition of another company by using the significant amount of a borrowed fund to meet the cost of acquisition. A, it's the leveraged buyout. B, it's the leveraged buy-in. C, it's the management buyout. D, it's that is the management buy-in. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So management buyout, A, management buyout is the acquisition of another company by using the significant amount of a borrowed fund to meet the cost of acquisition. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, dash is a type of acquisition where the group, where a group led by people in the current management of a company buy out the majority of a share, whether it's MBI, B it's LBO, C it's the MBO, D it's the both A and B. So MBI stands for what? Management buy-in. MBI stands for, that is the management buy-in. LBO it's a leveraged buyout. MBO it's the management buyout. Friends, so it is MBO. So C is the right option for this MCQ. I mean the MBO, management buyout, is a type of acquisition where the group led by people in the current management of a company buy out the majority of the shares. So MBO. C is the right option. So next one, dash contains the, or which contains the of the company in enabling the provisions for buyback of shares. Whether A it's the prospectus, B it's the offer document, C it's the memorandum of association, D it's the articles of association. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So articles of association, I mean AOA, articles of association, contains the or of the company in enabling the provisions for the buyback of a share. Friends, so I have already posted one separate video, what is the meaning of articles of association and what are the important contents of articles of association. Kindly go through the posted video and you will know more and more with regard to the articles of association. So next one MCQ, which capital is considered as the permanent capital of the company? A, whether the equity share capital, B it's the preference share capital, C it's the working capital, D it's the all the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. I mean the equity share capital is considered, A is the right option for this MCQ. Equity share capital is considered as the permanent capital of the company. So next one MCQ, which one company buys all or part of the another company is known as a part. So which one from the among a company buys all or parts of another company is known as what? A it's the merger, B it's the demerger, C it's the acquisition, D it's the none of the above. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C, when one company buys all or part of another company is known as what? The acquisition. So next one, net assets minus capital reserve is what? Whether A it's the goodwill, B it's the purchase consideration, C it's the general reserve, D it's the specific reserve. Friends, so B is the right option. B. So net assets minus capital reserve is equal to what? The purchase consideration. B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, the combination of two or more companies into one in which the merging companies or entities lose their identity is called what? A it's the joint venture, B it's that is the takeover, C it's the amalgamation, D it's the strategic alliance. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C, the combination of two or more companies into one in which the merging companies or entities lose their identity is called the amalgamation. So next one MCQ. In WACC, it's a weighted average cost of capital. Rising the interest rate leads to what? A. It's the decrease in cost of our debt. B. It's the decrease the capital structure. C. It's the increase the cost of debt. D. It's the increase the capital structure. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. C. In weighted average cost of a capital, the rising in interest rate leads to what? Increase the cost of debt. C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ. EVA, economic value added. EVA provides a measure of what? A. How much value is added by the company? How much value is added by operation? How much a business affects the economy? How much wealth a company is creating compared to its cost of capital. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So EVA provides a measure of how much wealth a company is creating compared to its cost of capital. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Last but not the least, it's a the easy MCQ easy question. The full form of a CAPM is what? I mean the CAPM stands for what? First one is that is the capital asset pricing model. B it's the capital asset portfolio model. C it's the capital asset profit model. D it's the capital asset project model. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A. C stands for capital, no doubt. A stands for asset. P stands for that is the pricing. M stands for model. So the full form of CAPM is capital asset pricing model. So these are all about the 30 vital MCQs from the corporate restructuring and the strategic financial management. So I am hopeful that friends, you have learned a lot. So during the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly you give your valuable suggestion and comments in the comment section. So far as your valuable comment and suggestions are most welcome for the next video, kindly don't forget to give your valuable comment. So if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe it. So I will have the request to all of you, kindly you share this video, kindly you forward it, kindly you like it. So thanks a billion to all of you.